Now, for the equivalent for your one-way ANOVA, or the analysis of variance, is the Kruskal-Wallis H test. So the dependent variable to be measured is at least ordinal or ratio level. The independent variable should consist of 3 or more categorical groups. There should be independence of observations, and the variables are not normally distributed. So, for example, problem: the better-selling candies are often high in calories. Assume that the following data show that the calorie content from samples of M&M's, Kit Kat, and Milky Way 2. Test for significant differences among the calorie content of these three candies. At 0.05 level of significance, what is your conclusion? Okay, so this is now the data set. You can see unequal groups pa ni sila. It's unequal groups. Okay? So we place it in the same manner as before. So this is now 1 for M&M's, 2 for Kit Kat, and 3 for Milky Way. Okay? Then we go to your SPSS for your variable view. Then we have candy and calorie content. Then, so this is 0, 0, and this is also 0, 0 because there are no decimal places in the variable. And then we have labels. So 1 for M&M's, 2 for Kit Kat, and 3 for Milky Way. Click OK. Then you go back here to your data set, and then you just copy this one. Go to your SPSS, to the data view, and then here is your candy and calorie content. So just click this one here. So M&M's, Kit Kat, and Milky Way 2. Then analyze, non-parametric test, independent samples. Then scan data. Then just click a different data set. So this is now calorie content for your test field and candy for your groups. And again, it will just automatically, assign to Kruskal-Wallis. But if you want to choose, that's also possible. Just click choose test, so customize test. This is Kruskal-Wallis, and then multiple comparison is all pairwise. But if not, then you just let the SPSS choose the data for you. So just click run. Okay, so it ran a independent sample Kruskal-Wallis test, which is 0.034, which rejects the null hypothesis. So meaning there is difference in the calorie content of the three candies. But which one? Okay, so you have your pairwise comparison here. Okay, so the pairwise comparison, there is significant difference between Milky Way 2 and M&M's because it's at 0.016 for your significance, or your sig value. And then you have your Milky Way and Kit Kat, but that's 0.055. So meaning that's actually greater than 0.05. Okay, so you cannot have that one. So only Milky Way 2 and M&M's are significantly different. Okay, but then we reject the null hypothesis because these two, Milky Way 2 and M&M's, are significantly different. Again, there is significant difference in the calorie content of the three candies, specifically your M&M's and Milky Way.